Teen Hill is an internship program designed to empower youths to improve their nutritional and physical well-being, as well as fostering leadership skills. Interns are empowered with 8 nutrition skills. Building a healthy plate. Fill half your plate with fruits and vegetables, quarter plate with lean proteins, and a quarter with grains. Shopping smart. Learn to read food labels and choose nutrient-rich foods and avoid foods high in fat, sugar, and sodium. Making healthy snacks. Learn the 3 R's. Reduce, replace, refuse. Eating out right. Learn the 80% rule and dine wisely. Managing your weight. Learn your BMI and the healthy ways to control your weight. Staying active. You need at least 1 hour of moderate physical activity every day. Exploring beyond the basics. Organic foods, eating vegetarian, stretch and nutrition. Cooking healthy foods. They learn various leadership skills, such as program planning, goal setting, public speaking, communication strategies, social awareness. They also get to meet mentors from different professions. Interns utilize their nutrition and leadership training to serve their peers by leading a Teen Hill club at their schools and teaching in community fairs to promote healthy cooking, healthy eating habits, and active lifestyles.
Cut this off. I want to show you how easy it is to remove the...
They learn from celebrity chef Martin Yan on healthy cooking skills in annual DIY cooking symposium. Hill interns also learn from Dr. Hardy Hammer, Director of Ambulatory Care and Primary Care, and Dr. Sunny Pak, Medical Director from Chinatown Public Health Center.
Internship, I have learned many skills related to healthy eating, such as reading nutrition labels, choosing meal portions, and managing weight. Additionally, I've practiced leadership skills by helping to establish and lead a healthy eating club at my school, as well as teaching members of the community healthy eating skills.
我最喜欢的一个环节，就是与不同学校的大家一起制作健康食品。这是我第一次見到有人用芒果來代替蛋黃來製作美味且清口的冰皮月餅。
咁參加呢個計劃都讓我學識點樣去閱讀食物標籤同埋購買食物嘅一啲知識。咁識得點樣閱讀食物標籤都對我購買食物有好大嘅幫助。咁所以我好鼓勵所有高中生去參加天 Q 計劃，去學識點樣改變自己嘅飲食同生活上面嘅一啲習慣，去變得更加健康。
Also care about their physical and nutritional health. The internship has prepared me for the transition. The internship also offers activities like career speakers and cooking demonstrations that has made my high school experience better and made me more aware of how I eat and exercise.
Throughout our time together, we learned many essential life skills. With the knowledge, we eventually teach that to our community members. For instance, some of us started clubs at our school with hopes to empower youth to have healthier living habits. We are also blessed to have people working in different fields to talk to us about their life.
點樣去睇食物嘅營養價值表。我哋平時出門買嘢食嘅時候，都會去關注食物嘅營養價值嘅，都會睇佢入邊有幾多卡路里啊，有幾多糖分啊。
This Teen Heal internship program greatly impacted my lifestyle by encouraging me to not only eat healthier, but also get adequate exercise. As one of
I learned to improve my cooking skills with Hill Internship program. I love to cook and I learned how to choose healthy ingredients to cook delicious food.
I also like how this internship allows me to interact with people I usually wouldn't talk to. All the cooking activities we did allowed for us to have a unique bonding experience.
Through this Teen Hill internship, we were able to meet various professionals from different fields of work, and to me, that was the most beneficial aspect of this internship because it helped me gain confidence in finding the career I wanted to pursue.
Participating in the Teen Hill program taught me how to live a healthier life. I learned a bunch of skills like reading food labels, which is really helpful when I'm grocery shopping with my parents, and also learned about my plate and the importance of eating a diverse diet and a bunch of healthy recipes.
During my time with the internship, I learned how to cook nutritional and healthy recipes that were similar to dishes I ate on a regular basis. I was surprised by how easy and simple it was to make the healthy dishes. I expected it to be more difficult, rigorous, and time-consuming. But the most rewarding part of the program was meeting new people who had similar interests as me, like seeking ways to eat healthier. I am so grateful to be part of the Teen Hill program and to be taught by some of the best nutritionists.
The part I enjoyed most about this program was the opportunity to try out new healthy recipes every time we met together. The first time I tried out a recipe from the cookbook, which was a sweet and savory veggie burger, I really struggled without the help of my parents, but I eventually got through it and I actually enjoyed the process of it.
13 interns from 5 high schools graduate from the internship program this year. They set up Teen Hill clubs in 3 high schools and reach over 150 teens through club meetings, community events, and trainings.
For more information on other health topics, please visit the AAMG Health Education website. If you like this video, please give a like, and subscribe to our channel for more related content.